I was scrolling on Amazon and I found a kids makeup kit. So in today's video, we are going to be seeing exactly what we can do with this kids washable makeup kit. But I didn't want to do this by myself, so we have a very special guest with us today. Let's go ahead and welcome.
Hi,
And today, what are we doing?
we're doing a kids makeup kit today.
This is it's Fashion Time My Makeup Style washable kits. It says 3 and up. So should we open it? Can you open it so we can see what is inside?
I already pulled out the tape anyway.
I know. I saw it.
No way.
Oh my god.
It's cute. Mommy definitely has to let me keep it.
I have to let you keep it? Why? Okay, it is very cute. I love it.
It looky like this.
Okay, flip it.
And then, right, this is back.
Okay.
This side same thing as this side. The other, like, they're right here. And then right here, same thing. They're opening now.
Yeah, let's open it. Let's see what it's like when we open it. I don't know. Let's put it down and see if we can figure it out. Ah.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, so you open the top.
This is actually pretty cool. I figured out that you have to push the put it down, push the button, and then lift up this thing, lift this, and then boom, this happens.
Put it down. I think there's other places that we can open too.
Ooh, right here, right here, right here. I found one. It's like a little soap. This is what's inside. Brushes.
No, it has brushes inside it.
Can I use these to paint?
No, they're not for painting.
This is the sides. Wait, this is the side. It actually opens like
Pick it
a
up, pick
other
it up,
drawer.
pick it up. There you go. Has another
Right
drawer
here.
on the side.
Okay. If this was real, I'd rather have this drawer.
You what?
If this was real, I'd rather have this drawer.
Is that something?
Wait, is this a secret? Is this a secret thing? Wait, I see something. I think. Bro, why can I not open it?
Here, hold it.
Wow, there's brushes too.
Yeah, but I
Same
also think
brushes.
this opens by itself. I think that opens by itself.
Ooh. There's nail polish right here. Four
Nail polish
colors.
here.
Nail polish here.
What's
And
here?
then eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow.
And then lip gloss, and then an eyeshadow,
yeah.
and then blush,
Yeah.
and
blush.
then brushes.
Yeah. Okay, so this is all we're going to be using today. You excited to use this? Okay, maybe I'll let you use the kid brushes and then I'll try to use the grown-up brushes. I'll get some brushes from my stuff and then we can use that. Yeah? So before we start, we're going to try to push up her brows a bit because she has way more brows than I do.
You better not tell them.
Well, they can see your brows, baby. And I'm jealous. I'm jealous of the brows.
You're gonna take my brows.
Huh?
You're gonna take my brows.
I am. She's gonna give me all of her brows. They're so pretty. I love it. Okay, we're gonna start with eyeshadows. Belly's gonna be using the brushes that comes in the kit, and I will be using grown-up brush. Before we start, we're gonna do a little spa session, okay? I don't know.
That's
This is
cold.
fun. I know.
It's cold.
Oh, not in your eye. Okay, like this.
I'm gonna act like I'm blind again.
Oh, that's right. We used SPF, one of the SPF lotions, and it was burning her eyes.
Why is under here wet?
Oh, because of the thing that comes with the eye patches, I think. We're ready to go. We are ready to go, baby.
Wait, what was the paper?
You go with the blue, I'll go with the purple. I mean, no. You go in with the purple, I go in with the blue. And it's only going on the top of your eyes, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we need a mirror, or you need a mirror. So you can use this mirror. Take your mirror and look down at it like this.
Like this?
Yeah, but you have to hold your mirror and look down. That way you can see your eyelids, and then you can put it on where you want to put it.
I don't see it. I don't see mine.
Huh?
I don't see mine.
You don't see it?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, I can see it. Do you want a different brush?
Yeah.
How are the brushes? Are the brushes good or bad?
Mm.
Okay, the brushes are okay. You can use this. Use this brush.
Yeah.
You just do like this, and then just brush it on your eyes like this. Okay. Okay. I'm using the blue. You didn't even tell me where you want me to put the blue. What kind of look are we doing? Are we doing like a mermaid look, or do you see the pink? Oh, the purple very well?
No.
Yeah, I don't see the pink very well. Try the
Purple.
blue.
Purple. Can
Yeah.
you just use this one?
Yeah, you can use that one. That one is a lighter color. Should I? Oh, I was going to try to help you see if it was going to come out more. Hold on. Let me try it on you first. Wait, give me a second. Turn your face. Actually, close your eyes. It's showing, Billy. It's very light.
No, don't I see it?
It's very light. It looks very, very light pink.
Purple.
You see it? I mean, it's coming off as pink. That's like you saying pink. Okay, go ahead and try that one. Let's see. Let's see what that one looks like.
Yeah, it's show.
Yeah, it's showing up. Okay, what color are we using next?
I'm gonna use green.
You want to use green? Okay, what color am I using?
Yellow. Look, I try the kid brushes again.
Yeah, you can try the kids brushes again. Let's see if that works. You're using the lime green instead of the deep green.
It's showing.
It's showing? Oh, that's nice.
There.
I see it.
I see your yellow.
You see mine too? You have to speak louder, baby.
I see your yellow too. Oh, I want to use yellow and then you use orange.
Alright, we can do that.
Oh no,
There's
the
another-
walls are coming.
There's another brush in here too that you can maybe try.
This one?
Yeah, the orange is not showing up. Does it look like orange or does it look like yellow?
Looks like yellow. Actually, I want you to pick this one.
Oh, I'm okay with the one you gave me. That's fine.
This fine?
I don't know. Do you like it? Yeah, if you like it, I love it. But you see how this is helping you so that your eyeshadow can stay where you put it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, maybe I should do that. Because mine just went all the way down. It's not helping me do anything at all. What's daddy? Do you want to use one of these or you want to use one of the glitter ones?
Glitter ones now. I want to use pink and then you use yellow.
Okay, I'll take the kid brush.
What
What am I using? Yellow?
Mhm.
And you're using pink?
Mhm.
Make sure that the glitter doesn't go in your eyes, okay? Yeah. Is it staying? It looks like it's staying. But where am I putting my yellow? I don't know where I'm putting the yellow. I think I'll put the yellow in the middle over here. Ooh. Okay.
I see it.
You see I see yours too. Okay, what's next?
I use blue, you use green.
Okay. Green and blue for you. You can also mix it. That way the glitter can get into the balm that's supposed to help it. And it can show. Where am I putting the green? Because I'll put it next to the yellow.
It's a purple, right?
Ooh, that is so pretty. Do you like it? Man, I should have mixed mine like that.
It is.
It's not. I just put it on the side.
That looks like it to you.
Huh?
That looks like it to you.
It looks like it to me. Yeah. Where do you want to put the glossy one? You can use it, but where do we put it?
I want to put mine up right here. Yeah, I use the pink and you use purple.
Okay. Here, let me wipe the glitter off. It has the old school foam thing. What is it called? Eyeshadow thing. Here, baby. Make sure it doesn't touch your eye though. Let's see if the color shows up. Let's see if the color shows up. Oh, it's very creamy.
Yours shows up and mine doesn't. Look.
Oh, maybe because it's that. Try this brush.
Yeah, the color shows up.
It's showing up, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, I think usually the foam thing absorbs the shade so you can't. Plus, I think now yours is showing up more than mine. I'll try to help wipe it off a little bit for you. What do you think?
Mhm.
Okay.
Good.
Let me see. It's wet. Oh, I think it's time for those things to come off. What's next?
Lip gloss?
Lip gloss. Okay, here. Wipe your lips. Now wipe mine. And then we can. Are we using our fingers for the gloss?
I want to take this off.
Yeah, let's take it off.
It's like jelly.
It feels like jelly. And then do this. And then wipe it in.
And this.
And wipe it in like this. Lips. What color am I using?
Blue and I use pink.
Why do you keep assigning me blue? I don't get it.
Okay, fine. You
No,
use pink.
I'm okay. I know you like pink. Okay, I'm using this blue. And which pink are you using?
I like this pink.
Like that pink. Okay, I'm gonna use my nail to get the gloss.
What do I use?
I don't know. You can use one of these.
I use this one.
Yeah.
It broke.
Oh no.
It doesn't show it anymore. This part came on and then like I put it back in.
The gloss feels nice. But now I have glitter all over my face. It has glitter pieces in there. Okay, here you go. Now for the blush. What shade of blush are you using?
This blush.
Oh, that's too light.
Okay.
You and I can only use this shade.
Okay, then this one.
Okay, so you tap it and then you do this. I don't know when we stopped it, but we are doing nail polish next, okay? Nail polish comes with how many nail polishes in here?
4.
4 nail polishes and a toe thing. And Belly's gonna be using the purple nail polish. I'm gonna paint. It doesn't have that nail polish scent to it at all. But it says it's washable. We put this purple on her nails. We're using the red one just to see how it comes. Okay, show your fingers. Show your fingers. Oh, the red shows up very nicely. This is the red that we used. And that's the purple. The 2 purple ones that have glitter in it show up very faint. And the other one shows up very intensely. Yeah, look at our cheeks.
Isn't it?
The cheeks are cheeking.
This is the finishing look of using this washable kids makeup kit from Amazon.
What do you think about it? Is it something that you will use, or do you think that, you know, we need like a different one with like better colors and things?
I don't know.
You have to look at the circle.
In the middle. I like it. It's the one I like. I try another one of this.
Okay, so we're trying another one. What does the sideways mean anyway?
It means like, it's okay.
It's okay. It's not good. It's not bad.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but why do you think it's like in the middle?
Probably because of the purple nail polish I used.
That's the only
It's
reason?
not showing. There's another reason.
Okay.
And then the lip gloss, like the pink one is kind of not showing.
Not showing pink.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you're right. My blue one is also not really showing blue. I was gonna say we should go wash our face upstairs, but Belly wants to use the e.l.f. makeup wipes. Okay.
Let's go.
You like the nail polish?
The nails, yes.
3. It's all closed up. This is actually very cute. I feel like it has everything in it that you would need. Now, the question is, can we wipe this off? First, start off by wiping your nails. Let's wipe your nails off because I said it's washable. The nail it's coming off little by little. Like you can see that it's coming off. Okay, now close your eyes and we're going to like soak for a second. Keep your eyes closed, okay? Don't open your eyes. Okay, after this, we go wash our face with some soap and water.
Can I do yours?
Yeah.
Bro, only like.
Oh. Is it coming off?
There's like still some glitter. Like.
Oh, do I have glitter everywhere now?
Yeah.
Alright.
Having too much chaos. Sorry.
It's okay.
The glitter's on the side of your face now. It's on your face now.
Okay, right.
Okay, now it's coming out.
Okay, that's good.
What time is it?
I don't know. Why?
Let me just click on you. I don't know. No reason. Bro, it's only 2. I thought it was 4 for a second.
Yeah, I thought it was 4 too. I guess we can go to the pool after this.
Like and subscribe so mommy can get the gold plaque.
The gold plaque, yes. You heard her. Subscribe so I can get the gold plaque. Thank you. Bye.
And she'll be nice to you if you do it.
Yes, we'll be nice to you if you do it. Absolutely. I'm nice.
Comment if you want it.
Comment if you want it. I don't know what you want, but comment if you want it. So, okay, you guys, bye. Say bye.
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 Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. We forgot to show you there are nail stickers.
Oh.
Belly's gonna use these now.